How's it going? This is AK Detailing with a brand new video today. Today we're doing 7 cars basic and 1 full interior detail. Right now we're setting up to do our first 2 vehicles. We had to wait a little bit because it was kind of dark, so we had to wait till we get some light so we can start the cars. Today's a pretty long day. Today's Saturday, so it's a pretty long day. We're just getting ready to vacuum the insides. I'm gonna have my partner vacuum, and I'm gonna start wiping everything down. Then we're gonna start washing the vehicles. So we have 2 houses right here, right next to each other. So in total we have 3 cars right here. Then we have 2 more down the street, and then we also have 1 out of town, also basic, our bi-weekly. And then then after that we have 1 car at my house for interior detail. So we have a customer that brought their car that wanted to just drop it off. So we have that. So today I'll also be showing how we use our air compressor with our air gun. So we'll be showing how we use that. But that's until my last car for the interior detail. We'll use the air compressor. I'll show you guys how, how we can use it for the seats. We can use it for some of the plastic parts of the vehicles. So I'll get back to you when I'm ready to do the interior detail, but for now I'm gonna get these cars done. All right, we're here right now. Basically we're gonna start removing the seats of this car, and this is a car where I'm gonna demonstrate the Ridgid air compressor. And then not only the air compressor, we're also gonna show the Vortex. I'll clean it up a bit, but we're gonna also show the Vortex and how how it works. You did race car today? All right, so this is how it looks with the seats off. basically the stuff that the vacuum doesn't get, like all these edges right here, all right here, and the hard stuff that's hard to get, I do it with the air compressor, with the Vortex. So right now I'm pushing everything to one side so I can start vacuuming it, and I don't have to be, focus so much, there's so much trash everywhere. So I'm pushing everything to one side. So you can see now that I'm done vacuuming, it's much better now. I don't have to be fighting this little sand and all that between the carpet. So I use the brush. The brush also helps a lot with the Vortex and the brush. They do a really good job together. So I'm gonna start cleaning the floor. So right now I'm gonna clean the crack of the seats, between the seats right here with the Vortex. So you'll be able to see that right now when I do it. So as you can see right here, all that dirt came out. So it makes it much easier using this. All right, so we're all done here. Now we just gotta wash the car, but everything on the inside is done, and I'll show you guys right now. As you can see, there's burn marks still, but it's all right. The customer's seen it already, and he liked it a lot. It came out. I always have my customers check the car out before I leave, before I start washing it, so I don't have to, you know, make another trip or whatever. So there's some stains that just don't come off. So I use my steamer also for the stains that don't come off, and some came off but some didn't, and usually just, it is what it is. There's wear and tear on some of the cars that are older, you know, and the new ones, I could say. But basically, this is it for today. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and support this channel. You know, there's more videos in the future coming, and make sure you turn on your notification. This is AK Detailing.